Hi, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website Contourz Studio. And I'm on a home page, and I really like that you've got clear and bold logo. So this is really, really important. You've got top navigation, linking to your collections. Other could be a little bit more specific because other it's just kind of too general for Google to understand what's under this collection. Obviously, too general for your visitors to understand if they want to click it or not. So make sure to specify it, give it a better title. It will be much better for your sales. The hero image looks great, it's a good quality. However, it would be much better to show one of your products here. It would be much better for your conversion rate if people would be able to see what you're selling right away. And then you can add a little bit more specific tagline, such as shop for our ... products, and then add call to action such as shop now, click here, link into your collections, which will help your conversion rate further. I can see that you are selling jewelry. Very nice glass jewelry, so people can buy it from your homepage. Perfect. Would be great to add a little bit more details to the homepage, so more products, featured collections, so people can see there is more to browse. Because if you have only one product, it can make an impression that perhaps you're selling only this product. I know this is like unlikely, but people will have this kind of first impression. So make sure to add at least 6 to 9 featured products, then about 3 to 6 featured collections, sliding images, galleries, and so on. So you keep people engaged and you keep people browsing for longer. Dwell time is very important for SEO. So dwell time is the time people spend on your website browsing. So the longer people spend, the longer you keep people on your website, it would be much better for your SEO and for your future Google ranking as well. Also, make sure to open the social media links in your tabs. This is really important so you don't lose valuable traffic from your own website. Remember to also add trust signals such as About Us page, Contact Us page that can further improve your conversion rate and sales as well. The collection page looks excellent. I really like the layout of the products. The product images are really clear, easy to see the differences between each item, which is perfect. And the product titles are SEO friendly and have got plenty of details, which is excellent. The product page looks great. You've got add to cart above the fold, but you still have shipping calculated at the checkout information here, which is, I understand this is the default Shopify feature. However, it would be great to remove it from the shipping page, from the product page, because it is a little bit confusing after you mentioned that you've got flat rate shipping. Your visitors don't know if they want to be charged last minute, the extra shipping charge at the checkout. So don't confuse them because that can affect sales. Make sure to remove it. If you need help with removing this bit of coding, please let me know and I will do it right away. However, the product descriptions are SEO friendly, have got plenty of details. You've got related products as well, which is perfect. I hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how to fix any of the issues mentioned in the audit, how to improve your conversion rate, how to get more traffic and convert more visitors into paying customers, please book a free chat. This 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert is available for everyone who booked the audit. So don't miss this opportunity. Ask the Shopify expert any questions you might have about optimization of your online business. Book the chat now. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye-bye.